T-shirt chick.
What is up, Prince Squad? I'm back with another video, and this is just a behind the scenes type video. I had another walk-in today, and I just wanted to show you guys this, what they are having me to print. Now, they brought 2 shirts in, and they wanted me to print pictures on them, but I'm gonna tell you, everybody that's attempting to make t-shirts don't know what they're doing. But if y'all watch my videos, y'all can learn more. And I'm just gonna show y'all what's going on right here. Okay, so they did this. This is the print that they did right here. This what they did. And they was like, can I put a picture on the front of both of these shirts? Okay, I'm looking at this. This is about on the side of the shirt right here. As y'all see, it's about on the side of the shirt. This one, it's got some space to the side of the shirt. So I don't know. I tried lining it up to see if the shirt was just twisted or something, but that's how it is. Okay, if I am to put an 8 by 10 picture in between here, as y'all see, it's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit, and if I did, it's gonna cover up part of that. So that's another mistake not to make. When you printing t-shirts, they should have put the top print and not put the bottom print and then put the photo, or you should have been able to line it all up at once. But you can't just guess how big something is going to be. So right here on this shirt, once again, it's all the way over to the edge right here. And then this side has space on the side. But the thing about this one is they did leave enough space in here. If you put it really tight up here and let it about touch the letters, it'll actually fit. But it's not lined up centered or anything like that. So that's just kind of some of the stuff that you deal with if you accept t-shirts from other people. Like if you let your customers bring their own shirts. Because sometimes they, try to do little things to try to get by and be cheap. Or they may not have a printer, or they may not have ink, or may not whatever. So this is some of the stuff that you deal with. So just a heads up and let you guys know. Look at this. The 29th. This person passed away on the 29th. Today is the 1st of February. This person passed away January the 29th. And I believe they put the wrong year. I'm pretty sure they did, because I believe this person, because I heard somebody had passed. Yeah, I heard somebody had passed, and I'm thinking it's this guy. So he died earlier this week, but they have the 18th on there. And also, on the other shirt, it's got the 18th also. So yeah, just, if y'all call yourself trying to do some shirts, especially when y'all got a t-shirt printer in town, y'all can just bring the stuff too. Don't, make sure you got your stuff right. But I'm out. That was just a quick something I wanted to throw in. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to the green and the red channel, do so today. And also hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And follow me on Instagram. And join the Prince Squad group on Facebook. And I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next video. Prince Squad out.